In this video, we'll show you how to create an attractive banner section in WordPress using the Responsive Elementor Addons. First, let me show you what a banner section looks like. REA Banner widget allows you to create eye-catching attractive banners, with multiple interactive styles and tons of customization options without any coding. Before getting started, make sure that you have the Responsive Elementor Addons plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to the screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down and look for Responsive Elementor Addons. Now, look for the REA Banner widget. To find it quicker, you can also type REA Banner in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this widget. Under Edit REA Banner widget, you will see 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Under Content, in the Image tab, you can upload the image for the banner. Using the link toggle button, you can enable or disable the banner link. You can choose from the list of effects using the Effect dropdown. By enabling the Always Hovered toggle button, you can show the effects without hovering the widget. You can also customize the height of the widget by selecting the Custom option under Height. Here, you can also choose to enable or disable the mouse tilt effect. Finally, you can add an extra CSS class name that will be applied to the banner. In the Content tab, you can change the title of the banner and add HTML tags. Then you can add content for the banner and enable or disable the button option. You can also align the title and content according to your needs. Under the Responsive tab, if the description text is not suiting well on specific screen sizes, the Responsive Controls option will allow you to hide the description text. Now, let's have a look at the style settings. In the General tab, you can select the background color, image opacity, and hover opacity for the banner. Then you can add CSS filters, border type, and border radius to the banner and the appropriate blend mode. Under the Title tab, you can choose the color, typography, and shadow, and set the margin for the banner title. Under the Description tab, you can choose the color, typography, and shadow, and set the margin for the banner description. Under the Button tab, you can customize the button for your banner by using various options like color, typography, background color, border settings, and shadow. Here, you can also set the margin and padding for the button. In the Container tab, you can add the border type for your banner, set the border radius, and add a box shadow to the banner. Now, let's move on to the advanced settings. Here you can adjust the padding and margin of the block and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to your banner, set background color, and customize the borders of the block. Finally, you can choose a mask for your banner and adjust its positioning. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update, and there you go. You have a customized REA banner on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about Responsive Elementor Addons and WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.